Welcome to Supporting Academy.
And let me discuss about the symbols of them. Hi, the symbols of them are the natural numbers are denoted by the n, and they range from 0 to infinity, as I have explained earlier. And followed by it the whole numbers. Whole numbers are those numbers which are represented by w, and they range from 0 to infinity. Well, these follow a subset pattern, like whole numbers. The natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers. Whole numbers are a subset of rational numbers. Integers are a subset of rational numbers, and in this goes in this manner. I'll explain that in the coming time. So you can see there that they start from 0 and extend in the positive manner, increasing next whole numbers. The whole numbers are denoted by w, and they range from 0 to positive plus infinity. Next, integers. Integers are those which have both positive and negative. Unlike whole numbers which are only positive and 0, or natural numbers which are only positive, the integers are both positive and negative. 0 is neither positive integer nor negative integer. Remember this point. And later it is followed by the rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by the q. And after it is irrational number. Irrational number is represented by q bar. Remember this point. Rational numbers and irrational numbers both combine to form real numbers. That's what you can see there. The rational numbers are expressed can be expressed in the form of p by q, whereas irrational numbers cannot be done. Like square root, you can see a rational number as 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4. It's a rational number. But square root of 2, it's an irrational number. A third is an irrational number. So square root of square root of 7, you can't express that in the form of p by q. And more or less remember that 122 by 7 is a rational number, but pi is an irrational number, because exact value of pi goes like 3.141. There are so long number. Hence pi is an irrational number, but 22 by 7 is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form of p by q. Later, real numbers. Real numbers are represented by the symbol c, and they consist of both rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. Next, it is followed by the imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers are represented by the letter j. Imaginary numbers as I have earlier explained, it consists of imaginary in nature numbers, square root of -4, and here the value of I. So sometimes we represented this in I or j. I or j is nothing but square root of -1. The combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers gives us the complex numbers, where it can be represented as a+ib or a+ib, whichever is comfortable. Okay, fine guys. I hope you understood. As I have earlier explained you that one number system is a subset of other. One number is a subset of other. We'll see that in coming time. Just wait a minute. That complex numbers can be represented in the form of z also, or a+ib, whatever that you wish. It is a mixture of both the real numbers and imaginary numbers. Yeah. Next, also remember that as I have earlier told, that examples. Natural numbers can be treated as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. Whole numbers just they have 0 at starting and followed by natural numbers. Integers have positive and negative integers, -3, -2, -1, and goes up to plus infinity. Rational number 22 by 7. Everything which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Irrational numbers. So it's the best example, square root of 2, square root of 3. But square root of 4 is a rational number. Real numbers which comprise of both rational and irrational. A multiple of a rational. When we multiply rational and irrational, we definitely we can obtain a irrational number. Example, real numbers are, as it is a mixture of rational and irrational, 1, 2, 2 root 3 imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers, as I have explained, it is a+ib format or a+ib. More or less, last but not the least, the very important point is it is a natural number system. It is a subset of, it is a symbol of subset of whole number system. Whole number system is a subset of integers, and integers is a subset of rational numbers, and real number. The rational numbers is a subset of real numbers is a subset of complex numbers. Thank you guys.
In the next video we are going to talk about even numbers, odd numbers and prime numbers. If you want to know about anything, let us know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like, share, comment. Check out other videos at our YouTube channel Supporting Academy.